Hello, and a very warm welcome. Today, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping the world of modern hospitality. I'm a hotel AI expert, and I've spent my career working in modern hospitality operations and performance support. So it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to your online learning journey. So here's our roadmap. We'll start by defining AI in our world. Then we'll get into its incredible strengths, but also, importantly, its limitations. We'll look at the powerful partnership between humans and AI, and finally, we'll talk about your crucial role in all of this as future leaders. All right, let's get right into it. AI is no longer some far-off concept. It's an absolutely essential tool right now, today, especially at the front office, where, as you know, every single guest's first impression is made. So when we say AI in hospitality, what are we really talking about? Well, think of it as a set of powerful tools designed to support our front office teams. Things like chatbots that can answer questions in a flash, automated check-in systems that keep things moving, and even predictive analytics that help us know what a guest might need. It's all about delivering efficiency and consistency. Now, let's talk about the real power behind these tools. Because when AI is used thoughtfully, it drives a level of efficiency and precision in our operations that was, frankly, just not possible before. Just look at this, an average response time of less than 1 second. I want you to picture a guest who's just had a long, exhausting flight. The absolute last thing they want is to wait in line, right? AI-powered systems deliver that speed. It creates a smooth, positive first impression from the moment they walk through the door. And here's another huge advantage, consistency. You see, AI doesn't have a bad day. It doesn't get tired or stressed during a chaotic dinner rush. It provides the exact same high standard of service at 3 in the morning as it does at 3 in the afternoon. For maintaining brand standards, that is absolutely critical. AI is also a master at handling those routine, repetitive tasks that can really eat up a team's time. Think about it, answering the same questions over and over, confirming booking details, issuing invoices. By automating these, we not only free up our people, but we also seriously cut down on the risk of human error. The details get captured perfectly, every single time. And it goes way beyond the front desk. Behind the scenes, AI is an analytical powerhouse. It can sift through massive amounts of data to spot guest behavior patterns, predict future demand with startling accuracy, and even flag potential problems before they become real issues. This means we can make smarter decisions about everything from staffing to pricing. But, and this is a really important but, it's not all about what the technology can do. As a leader, you have to understand AI's limitations. You have to know when the human touch isn't just nice to have, it's completely irreplaceable. This really gets to the heart of it. An AI processes data. It follows logic. A human, on the other hand, understands emotion. They get the subtext. Let's go back to that guest whose flight was just canceled. They're frustrated, they're upset. An AI can change their room booking, sure. But can it offer genuine empathy? Can it provide that emotional validation and reassurance? No. For that, you need a person. And that really is the bottom line. In those critical moments that define a guest's stay, especially when things go wrong, nothing can replace the warmth, the flexibility, and the genuine understanding of one of your skilled team members. Nothing. And of course, we have to be smart about the risks. An AI can be very rigid if a guest has a unique request it wasn't programmed for. If we lean on it too heavily, our staff's own problem-solving skills can start to fade. And then there are the huge responsibilities around data privacy and security. You need sharp human oversight to manage all of this effectively. So all of this leads us to the ideal model. It's not about man versus machine, it's about a powerful partnership. The real goal here is to integrate technology and human talent, creating an experience that's far better than either could achieve alone. And this shows you exactly what that synergy looks like in practice. Let the AI assistant handle the routine, data-heavy stuff like check-ins and basic questions. What does that do? It frees up your team, your human professionals, to focus on what they do best. Handling a complex guest issue, creatively solving a problem, and most importantly, building real, lasting relationships with your guests. So, the strategy for success really boils down to 3 key steps. First, you automate the routine tasks to build efficiency. Second, you use that newfound time to empower your people and their expertise. And third, you always maintain strict ethical oversight to make sure this powerful tool is being used responsibly. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, as the next generation of leaders in this incredible industry, you're the ones who are going to be guiding this evolution. You'll be making the decisions on how these tools are woven into the fabric of hospitality. In the end, it all comes down to your mindset. You can't be afraid of AI, but you can't be blindly in awe of it either. You have to approach it with critical thinking, with adaptability, see it for what it truly is. A powerful tool. A tool that in the hands of a skilled, empathetic professional like you can elevate service to a whole new level. Your expertise is, and always will be, the guiding force. And so, I'll leave you with this one question to think about as you move forward in your careers. When you are in a position of leadership, how will you choose to use AI? How will you use it not to replace, but to enhance and amplify the very heart of our industry, that genuine human connection? The future truly is in your hands.